Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today, as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we have another case unboxing, and it is a Hot Wheels 2024 B case. This is a second B case I did get because I really wanted to get a super treasure hunt, and also just some of the cars in here are just really awesome. I wanted to be able to have some for the 6-lane raceway, and just decided to go ahead and pick up another one and do another unboxing for you guys. I do want to mention I am still doing the giveaway for this Lego Fast and the Furious Nissan Skyline GTR with little Paul Walker inside. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You can hop onto my merch store, and I have all kinds of crazy awesome like automotive products as well as Hot Wheels. I got mainlines, premiums, RLC, as well as monster trucks. So definitely go check it out. Whenever you purchase something on my merch store, you get entered into this Lego set automatically. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But I'm going to go ahead and carefully lay this set down on its side. There we go. I just don't want to mess anything up, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open. But I did recently add a lot of cars from a 2024 B case, and if you guys are interested in that, some of the cars in this case are also going to be on my website. So as this video goes live, a lot of the duplicates that I don't plan on collecting will already actually be on there, so definitely go check it out. But let's go ahead and flip this open and get ready to start doing the unboxing. So I'm just going to go ahead and start, oops, there we go, right up on top. Alrighty. So first up we have the Corvette C6, we have a Max Steel, and we have a Road Bandit. These are in here kind of awkward. Oh, now I see why. We have the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, and this is kind of what makes it fit weird in the box sometimes, but the Surf's Up. And we also have El Segundo Coupe. Alright, next three. Ooh, okay. So we have the Monster High Ghoulmobile, which that's not what I'm excited about. Also got the Tony Hawk Skate Grom, but the one I'm really excited about is the Ain't Fair, which is the treasure hunt for this case. And as you see right there, the little round treasure hunt logo. And I just noticed that the package is damaged. That is very unfortunate. There's a little bit of damage up here on the top as well. But man, that is very disappointing. There's obviously a crease on that, and then you can see like the whole corner is just completely destroyed. Actually it's creased all the way across to almost to the other side. And then you guys can kind of see like that little crease right there on the top edge. Alright, well, this is the treasure hunt for the case, so that's pretty unfortunate. Hopefully there's not too much else that's in this case that's destroyed, or at least like heavily damaged. I really hope that was just kind of like a, maybe like a one-off, but we will see. Let's go ahead and continue on with the case. So we have the Zinger 21C. We have a brick-in motor, and the USS Enterprise NCC 1701 from Star Trek. Alright, and then we have a 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. We have a limited grip and a Lolux. Alright. Okay, we got some cool cars. We got the Audi RS e-tron GT in white. We have the Ford GT40 with a really cool kind of like race livery on it. And then we have the 1987 Dodge D100. Alright, we have the Shark Bite, which actually has on the front tires like little tabs. You can see on that bottom one. And then it's connected to the jaw, so as it drives, the jaw kind of opens and closes. And we have the Hot Wheels High and the Drift and Brake. Alright, we got another brick and motor, the Max Steel, and this is the Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner, and it is the Mazda AutoZam, which that thing looks crazy. It's like a little K truck with a giant lift and giant tires, new for 2024. And there's the Legends Tour winner thing in there on the top. So that's a pretty cool car. Alright, so we have a custom auto, a Loopster, and you can actually combine these with a bunch of other ones. There's a little hook in the front and a little hook in the back. And then we have the 72 Stingray convertible. We have the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT, a Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, and the 70 Plymouth Barracuda. Alright. Well, I really like this one. From Batman vs. Superman, we have the Batmobile, the Croc Rod, which is kind of cool, and the Proton Saga. And the last three for the first half of the case. Ooh, okay, we got some pretty good ones right here. Got another Mazda AutoZam. We have the Volkswagen T2 pickup, which is actually really cool looking. I really like that. There's a silver top on the bed. And then we have the HKS themed 2017 Ford Ranger Raptor, which also that looks absolutely amazing. And if you guys like Hot Wheel racing, I have pretty much every single day I have YouTube shorts that go live, and I do have a bunch of pretty much a bunch of cars. And that Ford Ranger Raptor, I do already have one opened, and it actually did some videos recently with racing it and kind of surprised me, so you should definitely go check some of those out. Let's see here. We have the Fiat 500e, another drift and brake, 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Alright. Oop, stuff's falling. Alright, so we have a Ford Escort RS 2000 in green, which looks pretty cool. We have the Nissan Skyline RS, the R30, and that purple is really nice, and then when the light hits it just right, it almost has like a blue kind of reflection to it. You can't really see it here in the video, but it looks pretty awesome. And then we have a Mighty K in a cool new color. Alright, let's grab the other two that this kind of fell off with. So another Ford GT40, another Batmobile, and we have the Hot Wheel Braille Racer Twin Mill, which actually has Braille on the outside of the blister pack right there, which you can see. And then on the bottom there's Braille on each side of the car, and also a little bit on the top on the back. So that's actually pretty cool, and it's for World Braille Day, which, I mean, I think it's actually really awesome. And next up we have the Punk Rod. We have another Shark Bite, and the Honda CB750 Cafe. Alright, we have a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, a Mod Speeder, and a Volvo CX40 Recharge. Alright, let's see, it's getting hung up there. We have another Hot Wheels High, another 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, and a Runaway Rescue. And that one's actually kind of damaged right there. The whole top corner is pretty messed up, and the card's even bent as well. And it almost sounds like there's a crack in the package, but it's like right there, it's all messed up. But I'm glad it was with like a generic car and not like a really nice name brand car. Alright, so we have a, oh, that's a little unfortunate too, we have the Tesla Model Y, a Mod Speeder, and I see this one on the back, it's kind of messed up, it's creased right there. From the Barbie movie, it's the 1956 Corvette, and I believe it's Ken's car, which is the gray with like the flames and everything. I do have a pink and blue already opened, and I did plan on opening one of these to be able to have like all three opened up. And since that whole corner is all messed up and mangled, I don't think I have another one that's damaged, so I actually think this will be a pretty awesome car. I will be having a video coming out soon, opening up a bunch of Hot Wheels and then also racing them on the 6-lane raceway. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that, because those videos are always really fun. We have a Greenwood Corvette, Fiat 500e, and a Humvee. Which those Humvees actually look pretty cool. Alright, let's see. We have a Ford Escort RS 2000, a Volvo XC40 Recharge, and another Runaway Rescue. Alrighty. We have another Tesla Model Y. I really like that blue. Another Monster High Ghoulmobile. And another Custom Auto. Alright, we are getting to a few cars left, and we have not seen the Super or even the regular car, so I'm kind of curious to see. We got the regular version right here. So there's the Batmobile, but the 2018 Camaro SS. That would have been the Super Treasure Hunt, but this is the regular version, so that's pretty unfortunate. It's still a pretty good looking car. I do like the stripes and everything on it, but unfortunately we did not get the Super in this video. I did get the regular, and it was pretty heavily damaged, so that's unfortunate, but we still got a few more cars left, so let's go ahead and check those out. Another Proton Saga, and that one's new for 2024, and the last three cars are kind of jammed in here. Ooh, okay, so you have the 1976 Greenwood Corvette, and this is one that everybody's been excited about, which I think this is in good condition. Let me just make sure, because I was like, if I do get one that's damaged, it would be kind of a sacrifice to be able to compete in the 6-lane raceway, but this one actually is in great condition, and this will probably actually be on... Actually, I do already have one of these on my website, so link in description down below, and if you guys are the first ones, there's one available right now on my site, so definitely go check it out. I don't know if I'll actually put this one on there, because I do have another one that I was going to collect. So I might actually have two on there, so if you guys are interested, go check it out. But the final car for this case is a Nissan Patrol Custom, which actually looks pretty cool. And that wraps up the case. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. And there's a lot of other videos I do with a lot of other case unboxings. I even do a lot of stuff like this. It's like a Mega Bloks Hot Wheel collab. There's even a little version of it, the Bone Shaker there. So it is pretty cool build. I have a video on that, a bunch of other videos with case unboxings, different projects, different collectibles that are coming out, RLCs, other collectibles. So definitely subscribe, stay tuned. And every single day I have YouTube shorts with racing Hot Wheels, and those are pretty fun, pretty awesome. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.